If you feel me, help me sing it out.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. I am actually on my way to vote. Yes, I got up super early today because I wanted to do early voting, and I tried to go yesterday, but the line was like wrapped around the building. So it's currently like 8:15 in the morning. It opens at 9, and I'm just trying to be here early. So I'm just gonna do some editing in the parking lot. Oh, when they built those houses. I'm just gonna do some editing in the parking lot until it is time for me to go in and vote. So make sure you guys are going to vote. I don't even care who you vote for, but just if you have the opportunity to vote, make sure that you use that. Even if you don't necessarily love a candidate, like, guys, sometimes you have to choose between the less of two evils. And I don't care what evil that is for you. I just want you to use your rights and go let your voice be heard. For me, it's bigger than that. For me, it's like my ancestors died and fought and sacrificed so much for this opportunity that I would never have the opportunity to vote and not do it. It's not about the candidates. It's about the legacy. So, yeah, you guys, so stay tuned. I will try to vlog as much as I can. This will probably be a part of after my birthday vlog. So my birthday vlog should be up by now. So make sure you guys go watch that. And I will see you guys soon. Make sure you go vote. Okay, guys, I am back, and as you can see, I voted. I want y'all to see this. I voted. My voice was heard. Okay, so make sure you guys go out to the polls and vote. Go vote, go vote, go vote, go vote. Okay, I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Cherish is vote. And if you are watching or hearing me right now and you haven't already, you have got to vote.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So I am back home now, and I need to do some major cleaning. I have not really cleaned or reset or got myself together since I got back from my birthday trip. So that's what we're gonna do. Shout out to everybody that took the time to go out to vote today. Make sure you guys go vote. Please go vote. And for the rest of this vlog, I'm really gonna be doing a lot of cleaning and just getting myself back together. I need a major reset. If y'all notice, I only got 3 nails left on this hand, so I'm going to be doing those. I'm going to be cleaning and just getting my house back together, as well as monitoring the election. So happy election day 2024, and guys, we are just going to reset and get my life together. So please stay tuned. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I just really wanted to come on and number one, encourage you guys to go out and vote. It is not too late. Shout out to everybody that did take the time to go out and vote. And I just needed a day to just clean up and get myself together. I was gonna do that anyway, but I just wanted to vlog it so I can show you guys a little of my getting my life back together after my birthday. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Also, please go watch my birthday vlogs. I will put them up on the screen. Thank you to everybody for all of the birthday love, all of the birthday wishes on my Instagram as well as my YouTube. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys go over there and follow me. I will put that up on the screen as well. And happy Election Day 2024. And just always remember, no matter who wins, there's one true president, and that is God himself, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.